Good morning, traders. It's Thursday. I've been doing some trading. It's 7:30 in the morning here, 7:38. Doing some trading. Lost the video. I've been having trouble today too, and then I came out and nailed it. But the call that I made in the charting yesterday was no good. And I'm trying to figure out what it is, and I guess I've got it, but I've tried to confirm it with yesterday. There's something weird going on. I'm not sure what it is. I'll have to look at it, in retrospect to figure out what exactly is going on today. But something different has happened. I'm not sure what. Anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm just free trading. And whenever the first one or the second one doesn't work, I just go with the free trading. Always fall back on that. And you could do that anytime you want, free trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resume the free trading here. I got this thing recording. Oh yeah, okay. I'm going to resume the free trading here, and I'll come back and take some more trades. I'm only going to trade for another hour or two. That's it. And then I'm going to be done. Maybe not even that long. Maybe just an hour. So it just depends. But it's moving. You see the big move it just made. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a short position here. This one is going against the system. The second system says it's going to go up some more, so it's going against it. So I'm taking a trade going against the system, but I do have the other one saying go short. So they're conflicting, yes, but one of them is just a short term, one of them is a longer term. So I'm going against the longer term right now. My point here is that what I want to do is I want to get a break-even stop on this as soon as I can. So when these things it gets even 7-8 ticks ahead, I'm going to put a break-even stop on it. It's either going to continue to go down or it won't, but I don't want to lose on the trade. I'm just trying to explain to you, because as a general rule, you kind of want to do this because I'm going against the direction it should go. It should go up another 20 ticks or so. It might come down here though. It might. This could be the big reversal. It's possible. Okay, putting a break-even stop at 44.99. 44.99 on the stop. Where are we at? We're almost there now, huh? Let me take a look at it for a second. Hopefully it'll drop down one more time and I'll place it. A little bit more, a couple more ticks, I'll place it. Too much risk. I'm placing it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'll take another entry, be right back. Okay, so this time I've got a signal to go long, and this time it's going with this system. So in other words, the other one was going against it, this one's going with it. So this is the way you want to go. It just makes the math better, makes the wins easier, makes the math better. So you don't lose as often, you win more often, you win more ticks when you win. That type of thing. It just makes the math in general better, going with the system. Doesn't mean that it'll win, just means it'll win more often and easier than going against it. Because when you go against it, not only do you risk losing, but you also risk not even being able to hit your exit. And hitting the exit's very important, obviously. On this particular one, just depends what it does, but let me go place a stop real quick. But it should make it up to like 45.40, so I can put it up there, possibly higher, so I could maybe go for a bit more. Okay, let me place a stop. I'll be right back. Okay, stop adjusted to 94. It's taken off here. Stop adjusted to 94. I'm gonna put a break-even stop on this thing. Let me take a look at it. Where is it at? Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. It's taken off. Okay, 45.09 on the break-even stop. 45.09. Alright, break-even stop in place. It might break right here, then come right back. I'm going to let it go, though. If it comes back, it comes back. I'm just going to let it go. You say, why do that? Why not take the profit? Because if this thing does take off, the profit will be a whole lot more. And it's not easy to catch this thing right now either. So it's a possibility it's just going to snap back up and go back up. Or it'll come back down. It's got one way or another. I would rather take the break even than lose out on it taking off. Because there's a good chance it will. Got to remember, we're going with the system. And it's still going to go up to about 40. So it's still got about up to 40 to go. Possibly higher. Could hit 60 very easily. So you see what I'm saying? Take a small little profit or go for the bigger win. When you're going in the right direction, you want to go for it. You take this small little stuff all the time, you'll never get nowhere. Seriously, it sounds like a good method and everything like that. You never get nowhere. You have to be perfect all the time. This, I don't have to be perfect all the time. I just have to hit some winners, and boom. Okay, I'm looking for the exit somewhere around 40 to 60. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, here we go. It's moving up here. See, I'm taking a looking at the code. Where are we at? Okay, I'm going to come right back. I'm going to wait till it breaks up into the 40s. Oh, here we go. Come on. A little higher. Here we go. It's going to go now. One more time up. Okay, this could be an offset and get ready to get out. Come on, shoot up. There we go, there we go. This one's probably going to be offset right here. I'm going to take it right up here. I'm out right there. Right there at 51, 52, I jumped out. It's probably going to be offset right there. Probably could take a reversal position. That puts it at like 110 ticks. Yep. It's called Trading Mastery, my friends. You can learn how to do this. Can't do it in a day. But just like anything else in this life, people learn how to do this and do that, and whatever it might be, whether it's a sport or, music or anything. Everything has to be learned, and it has to be practiced, and it has to be taken seriously. In other words, you couldn't just go in and go take piano lessons, for instance. No, I've never taken piano lessons, and nor do I know how to play the piano. I'm just using that as a strange example, but my point is that if you were to go take piano lessons, imagine you went in there and you just said, oh yeah, well, I'll just, learn the piano, and, you're going to have to apply yourself to learn. You can't just go in there and not apply yourself. It's going to take time, it's going to take effort, it's going to take, a real application, a real trying every single day, or just on a continuous basis in order to learn how to do it. True or not true? Everything is like that. So if you want to take up trading and be able to do what you see me doing, you better take it seriously. This is not a game or a joke. This isn't some sort of this is, you should take this right here more serious than anything else in the world. Piano is just playing the piano. Music instruments, that's just playing a music instrument. This is, a way to actually make money, and a lot of it. I think that should be taken pretty darn seriously and done from your home and done with privacy, and done with nobody telling you what to do, and done with you coming to work whenever it is you want. How can you compare this opportunity with anything else? Can everybody do this? Of course not. Could everybody learn to play the piano? Could everybody learn how to dance? Could everybody learn how to do anything? No. There's all kinds of things that people can't do. I can do a whole bunch of things in this life, but there's a whole bunch of things I can't do. This is not for everyone. I know everybody would love to be able to make money at this. I realize that. And I'm sorry that everyone can't. But there have been many people who are successful. Many people. I don't know how many, but a lot. There's been other people who aren't successful. There's people who don't even understand this. They try, but they don't understand it. It's over their head. There's other people that come in here and think it's ridiculously simple. It's like learning a new language. Some people can go learn a new language easily. Like, for instance, women, because they use the right brain, can learn languages easier than men do. They use the left brain, left side of the brain. So my point being is that in general, not always, but in general, women would have an easier time learning a language, while other people would have a harder time. And there would be some people not using the right one. You see the way I'm playing. It took me a long time to develop this. Don't let anybody fool you. You come in and learn my system, be ready to apply yourself. 100%. I'll be back. Okay, traders, I've got to get going now. It's 9:30 in the morning here, but I am swamped, and I've got a lot of emails to answer, phones ringing, and just a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm going to stop trading for today, and also I've got to analyze the charts today for the charting service, because definitely something weird happened today, and I don't know exactly what it is. I suspect that this would probably come down more, and we'll have a special trade today. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. That it's a special trade, but it won't know it until after the fact. But that's what it looks like right now. It's setting up for that, because otherwise it changed, and it's kind of uncharacteristic for it to do that. So I'm not really sure. I'll have to analyze it mathematically, and we'll see what it looks like. Anyway, free trading today was fantastic because it's moving so much. Yes, the stops are big, but the exits, instead of me playing with the 20, I'm sitting here playing like I'm playing the second system, and I'm hitting these big trades. I hit a 60 tick trade. I hit like a 40 tick trade. I've hit some big trades today. And I hit another 40 or 50 tick trade. I've hit some big trades today. So, because it's moving. Anyway, I am going to get going. I'll be doing the charting today as always. Tomorrow is going to be a special day anyway, so it won't matter what happened today. We'll be able to nail tomorrow, no problem. And I'll be out tomorrow to nail that trade. And I'll do the charting today. We'll cover it, what happened today, and I'll see everybody tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you're doing well out there, because the market is definitely moving. It's money-making time. And tomorrow should be really good, too. So, anyway, I'll be back tomorrow for some more trading. Happy trading out there, traders. Hope you're doing well.